Hi everyone, did you miss me? I'm all jacked up on Red Bull this morning. I'm going to show you my solar generator setup that was in my last short. And in the meantime, also explain to you why I'm changing my channel around and not doing flips and ninja as much. So let's get into this. Alright, so now to get into why I'm changing my channel around and not doing the flips and ninja like I was is because, well, let's face it, I'm older and it hurts. It takes me days to recover after one night. I'm still going to do some here and there. It's just I got to make sure I can do it when I have a few days to recover. And it's hard for me to have a few days to recover when you have this all behind you that I need to finish clearing out. Because our property goes way back there, but it's swallowed by bamboo. So I have to be able to work on that some. But for this one, I really want to show you my solar generator setup. So like I said before, let's actually get into that. Red Bull gives you wings. Alright, let's go ahead and dive into the build. I have two 65 series batteries at the moment linked together. I have a 100 watt solar charge regulator. I got it at Harbor Freight. It was like 20 bucks. All this stuff is just test now, so solar panel police, don't come after me too hard. The inverter I'm working with is a Everstart 750 watt. And again, this isn't to run my house. This one is the camping setup. I've just been testing it for a week or so now. The batteries I had laying around already from the various cars that I possess, and right now I just have this extension cord going into what I call my sleeping quarters. I'm not going to show you that right now, it's messy, but it's actually running a light, helping me give a little bit of light. And the area we're in, it's a little storage area in my house that I use. We game down here and do other weird stuff, and my son, he sleeps down here when he comes down from Ohio. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I gotta hook up the GoPro and extend a stick because I don't feel like climbing up on the roof to show you the solar panels. So let me go do that. Also, real quick, non-sponsored, but everyone should go play Age of Origins on their mobile phone and go to Nation 986. I doubt you can actually see that, but go to 986, find the Alliance 6. That's where I'm at. Come play with us. Look at my base. It's probably a little blurry for you, but don't forget to go play Age of Origins. Alright everyone, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this. Our fishing video is going to be coming pretty soon. Also, the merch store with all of my original merch, it is still open. Everything's still there. Little PP Club, not there yet. Working on that, having an issue. Being told this is offensive. I guess offensive to people with little peepees and don't want to represent. I don't know. Look, if you got a little peepee, represent. Alright, so stay tuned for the next video. It'll be coming out next week. In the meantime, go out, have fun. Still go out and do flips if you want to. Alright, I'll see you next time.